with start and ending, and that is valid only with until the next street,
Okay.
until the next junction. 30, not more. Is here repeated. 30. Stay in your line, please. Not escape. No.
No.
Oh, a duck. Rubber duck. Hop, 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 hop. Cool. So now we turn right. You will close on the right. So give a way sign
Yeah.
to this line here. Go a little bit further. Go a little bit further. Nobody is coming. Then you can drive. No stop. Yeah.
This is not
The triangle. No stop. Stop sign is stop. But this sign, no.
No.
You can use a cycle lane. That is a dotted line. That is also allowed to use. Use it. Use the cycle line. Yeah. Before you go in, check. What I mean with check? Check. I mean look inside mirror, outside mirror,
Yeah.
side look. Indicator is not necessary. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. And to nice soft brake. Really good soft brake. Yeah. Cool. Soft brake. And go. And go. Yeah, but green you can accelerate it down. Huh? Come down, deep breath. You have to close on the right. Let them look a little bit more distance on the right, please. Come down, deep breath, shoulders down, relax. You're a little bit too. Look,